Hey guys, welcome back. Quick question for you. Want to be first in line for the next big crypto project? Spots are limited, the whitelist is officially open right now, and early members get exclusive perks you will not see again. This isn't just hype, this is Milk Mocha, a project that combines two of the most beloved bear characters on the internet with real blockchain power. And today, I'll tell you exactly how you can secure your spot on their whitelist before the crowd piles in. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Let's dive in. So, what makes Milk Mocha special? First of all, this isn't a tiny meme coin. These bears already have a massive following, with over 50 million fans worldwide. That mainstream appeal gives Hugs, their native token, a level of recognition and trust that most early crypto projects can only dream of. And joining the whitelist now means you're locking in front row access before pre-sale stages even begin. Let's start with the obvious advantage. Whitelist members get access to the lowest token prices before each stage ticks higher. That's your shot at maximizing profit potential right from the beginning. Add in early staking rewards. Yes, you can start earning passive income the moment tokens are released, and you're compounding your gains while most people are still waiting on the sidelines. But it's not just about price. By joining the whitelist, you'll be the first to experience updates, features, and community events. The team is building a whole ecosystem, staking, NFTs, and even a metaverse with multiple games planned. Early whitelist members are expected to get exclusive perks like alpha access and unique rewards inside these games. Imagine playing token-powered mini-games, earning real value, and being part of the very first wave of the Milk Mocha universe. Now let's dig into the staking program, because this is where things get very bullish. Milk Mocha is offering an industry-leading 60% APY through their Cozy Vault staking protocol. That means real-time reward calculation, automatic compounding, and full flexibility with no lockup periods. Stake when you want, claim when you want, no penalties. On top of that, there's a permanent 10% referral boost for both you and whoever you bring in. It's passive income with built-in incentives to grow the community. And yes, NFTs are a big part of this too. The official Milk Mocha NFT collection will turn iconic character moments into blockchain-verified digital assets with actual utility in the ecosystem. Whitelist members may get priority access to these limited NFTs, making them not just collectibles, but early tools for metaverse gameplay and rewards. Another factor I love is the charity angle. A percentage of all funds raised automatically flows into a transparent, on-chain charity pool. By joining early, you're not only securing financial upside, you're also helping make a real-world impact. That gives HUGS a powerful social edge over purely speculative projects. And here's where the roadmap gets even more exciting. Phase 1 includes a 40-round structured pre-sale and staking launch. Phase 2 brings the first NFT collection and gaming beta. Phase 3 rolls out CEX and DEX listings, boosting liquidity and exposure. Then Phase 4 takes it all into the metaverse with token-powered play-to-earn mechanics. Add in deflationary burn mechanics to reduce supply and increase scarcity, and you can see why early access matters so much. Let me make this crystal clear. This is not the pre-sale yet. We're not buying tokens today. Right now, it's all about securing whitelist access. That's how you guarantee the cheapest entry point, exclusive perks, and early staking opportunities. Once pre-sale opens, stages will increase in price, and being late means paying more. So don't wait. Head over to milkmocha.com, drop your email, and lock in your whitelist spot today. Join a project with global fan power, real blockchain mechanics, passive income potential, NFTs, gaming, charity, and a clear roadmap toward a full Web3 ecosystem. Whitelist is live, spots are limited, and you'll thank yourself later for being early. Check out Milk Mocha, join the whitelist now, and of course, hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the biggest opportunities in blockchain, crypto, and AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.